All right. Peace, power, and profit, everybody. Everybody. So it's me and Chris. And we're gonna go through some just mess around with some stocks, look at some charts, purely education. We ain't trying to sway nobody right or left. So educational only. All right, let's see. All right, cool. All right, cool. So we live on YouTube. All right, so let's get into it. This Chris's website, you guys. Make sure, hey, if you're a sneakerhead, go ahead. Let me put it in the YouTube. Chris could talk about it a little bit. I'm gonna put the link in the YouTube.
Yeah, man. So my website is finally up and running with full functionality, with a legit domain. So that domain is purchased. It's mine. My products are authentic. Um, and I can pretty much grab, any shoe, um, as long as you willing to pay. Um, but older shoes are gonna cost more, so you got to be spending a bag. Got to be spending a bag to get an older shoe. But as far as newer releases, within the last few years, uh, no problem getting those. Some of them got high resale values. Some of them is, retail or a little bit more. You got to pay for the service and for shipping and all that stuff. So, I just try to help people get the shoes they want. It's hard getting shoes out here. You know what I mean? So, new releases that's coming, hit me up. I'm gonna be updating a lot of my catalog on the website. And I'm gonna cater to not just Jordan, but mostly a lot of Nike products. I'm gonna start adding Crocs, New Balance, Puma, and stuff like that, because those are a lot of popular name brands that are out right now besides Jordan. So check my website out. It's gonna be updated weekly, and we're gonna try to get this business up and running full fledged and create more revenue for this year.
That's right. So you sneakerheads, there you go. You guys got somebody you can purchase from. Let me finish sharing the show. See if anybody want to tune in so we could get on these charts. 2023, starting this year off right, getting in here, doing some research, sharing with the community. So anybody wants to know how when we say do your due diligence, this is what we mean. So we about to get at it. Let me get my charts ready. All right. Let's see here. All right. Let me get it up. So we all right. So this is your list that you had put in the back chat, Chris. And Brandon put it in the spreadsheet.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So we can start with which sector you want to start with.
Let's start with utilities.
Okay, we went through all of these all the way up until right here.
Who is that?
Me and Brandon. That's why I was hoping he got on. But
Which
I go through. We
let
go
me
through them
click
again.
on the screen. Let me see. Oh, that's utilities.
Yeah, we went through all the way up until right here. That's how we knew about NGR NRG.
NRG.
Uh-huh. But I go through them again.
Okay. That's up to you where you want to start. That's fine.
Cool. So we were using um of course we were using macro trends.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember.
We were using macro trends to look at fundamentals, and we let me see. I got the charts up. Yep, I got the chart right there, and then I got bar chart and FinViz is the other one. So Let me get FinViz up. So I can have them all up. And then, Yahoo Finance. That's right.
Yep.
We would use FinViz. I think we would go to Yahoo Finance first because we would look at the dividend, the history of the dividends. Okay, all right. So we'll start there. So what I'll do a little bit. Let me see if I can put them both on the screen at the same time. Then I could try to squeeze it in. Squeeze in the list like that. So I don't have to yeah, we'll do it like that. All right. Okay, boom. Here we go. All right. So we're gonna start with ED.
Who?
ED, that's the top one. Consolidated Edison.
I thought you were saying something wrong. My bad.
Are you so crazy? All right. So we went to the historical data. Well, I put it on Max right here just to give me a quick view. And then so that chart looks really good over time, for investing purposes. Then we would click on the historical data, and then we would change it to Max, the date to Max, and the historical price to dividend only. Click apply.
Mm-hmm.
And then we would stroll down, and we've seen that the dividend is consistent over the years. And 17 was last time, it was at 60 cents, and then it bumped up to 70 plus cents.
Yeah.
Over time. So we know it has a good dividend. Then we'll move from here and look at the chart. Or macro. Let's go macro first. Put an ED. Oh, ED? Nothing for ED? Am I the right thing? Microtransaction. Hold up. Let me maximize this. Let me see what's going on. We got to go to a specific. Oh, right here. Stop research. Not go ED.
No results.
Yeah, that's interesting. We see that I go to FinViz. Let's go to FinViz. So I'm back up. I'm back up to backup. Consolidated Edison. We stroll down. We know that it is a utilities company. And here we go. Let's move it over.
Mm-hmm.
Performed really good. And its PE is less than 21. They say anywhere between 21 and 25 is a good PE. So it's less than 21. That's looking good. It's debt. It's not too bad. Return on equity. Let's see what the people's rate did at. Oh, and we know it. That's a pretty good dividend when you say it got a good market cap.
Yep.
They got some monies. And November 22, upgraded by Bank of America. Outperform. All right. So boom. Let's look at the charts. So let's look at the charts in these streets. And if anybody want to get on the panel with us, just let us know. I'll drop the link in the chat. ED. And here we go. All right, so I'm on Trading View. Yeah, that's a pretty good chart over time. What do you think? So this is all I have it on the monthly right now.
Okay.
Let me put it on. So let me practice. So if I was doing the Fibonacci, which time frame would I best prefer? The daily or the monthly?
I would say the daily.
All right. So let me put it on the date. All right, so I'm on the daily. So I would take the field from its highest point to the lowest, right?
Yep.
All right. I'm learning. I'm finally learning this stuff.
Uh-huh.
So that would be right there. So right here. And I can bring it over like that.
Keep these soccer ball in the back of my damn yard. My bad. Shit. Talking out loud.
It's all good. All right. So I got my fib up. That do it right?
You see? Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. So I got my Fibonacci up, and then so and we're saying that the 0.5, this is like what I would be looking at to be my target price action move where I would want to enter or exit, right? Right here. With the white line.
No, so
Oh, how you think it?
what you would do is, hello. Okay, so how you do the Fibonacci?
I need to
Okay,
find
so
solid.
if you buy in or you trying to catch the uptrend, then you will use the Fibonacci where you got it, where it is right now. So
Okay.
it will be 0 to like 100%. And then if you was doing like trying to catch it on the downtrend, it will be 100% at the top and 0% at the bottom.
Oh, so I would
And
go this way. All right. Okay.
but
So I went
that's right there.
okay, because I'm trying to catch the up, right?
Yeah. So you want to catch the uptrend, we can see the different levels on the fib on where it would be optimum for you to get into the trade.
So it's up here, the 0.786. It's consolidating up in here. Look like it. So let's see, we got a gap. So there's a gap. There's a gap there. A little gap there. Let's look to see if there's any gaps that we need to fill.
Mm-hmm. So that fill this gap right here on the downward, and then it came back and filled and broke through, went back up.
Yeah, fill that one. Mm-hmm.
So it's always a consolidation period too, because if you look to the left,
Yep, here.
you got a few times where it consolidated, and then it made its move. So it consolidated right there where you got the mouse at, broke up, hit that level, resisted, then broke down, all the way down.
Yeah, once it took that dip right there, that was a wrap.
Mm-hmm. And so we could have mapped that out. And could have mapped that out, on the fib as well. And see, the bigger the time frame, you can go through and map out, each one of these sections. And then when you get ready to trade, let's say you buy an option or you just regular day trading, you will have those levels there, to where you can see what an opportunity was and where you could have took the trade, made some money. Because you can catch them going up and down, within the same cycle.
Right.
So you could have wrote this down right here and then, caught it somewhere in between the bottom.
Looks like it's it looked like it's making its move off of the uptrend moves off of the earnings. See here,
I see the earnings right there. Yep.
there, here. Oh, no. Well, I don't know what this had to do right here. We'd have to see what the story was in October.
Probably because it was just oversold and needed to
Flush it on out.
yeah, and then you got to think too, sentiment. Sentiment changes. October, is going into the deep fall. Coming close to winter. And energy has been a theme. For this 2022. So if energy prices go up, the light bill going up,
Definitely.
water bill going up, things are gonna go up because of the expense of energy. So that affects your utilities. Utilities go up 9 times out of 10. Those companies are gonna start charging a little bit more. So
let's see when they have earnings. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Oh no, I was just gonna say, well, that's why in this period, this cycle, you want utilities, you want energy, nat gas, oil, you want those type of plays in your portfolio because it fits the theme, whether it's inflationary, energy, oil, nat gas, that stuff, you want those in your portfolio to capitalize on because those are going to be your biggest gainers. So when I originally wrote down all of these tickers, I was seeing what stocks were performing in these sectors, not only on a yearly, but 10 years, 5 years out, and see how well they perform.
Right.
So I selected all of those that perform, since inception, basically.
Yeah, and this would look like it's gonna do the same. I think this is the one Brandon did the little I can't remember what he called it. They matched it up from the previous year at this time. And doing the same thing. And if that be the case, that means if we look at the options on it, it should have some heavy options going. Calls in February. Let's see what we look at. He's probably profit if you're tuning in. We're just doing some research on right now some utility stocks.
All right.
Let's see, and then right now just tuned into bar chart. Yeah, but the call should be very bullish. I agree with you, especially in February.
Yep.
That's January 20th. I figured that on the 100. I'm gonna go a little further out. Let's see. Okay. So all volume, yes. High, not a lot of people, but I bet that let me go out a little bit because I'm looking like
so
go ahead.
Yeah, so when we get back to the charts, I want to go through the different time frames. So we're gonna do we'll do the daily, the yearly. I mean, not the yearly, but the 4 hour, 1 hour, maybe even the weeklies, and kind of see how the chart history is mapping out and what it's showing us from the past going into the future. Because Oba taught us to always look left.
All right. So which one you want to go first?
All right. So we're on the daily right now, right? Well, I was going to tell you though, keep that Fibonacci at the current level. Yeah, keep it on there. All right. Okay, so let's go to the monthly.
Okay. Mhm. All right, this is the monthly.
Okay.
Let's get it right.
So, okay, zooming in. There you go. Now you can come here on the monthly
Mhm.
and map some stuff out as well. You'll pull the fib, on a certain level, whatever time frame you're looking at on the monthly,
Mhm.
and you will apply the Fibonacci. And then you'll just do that on every
So
time frame.
on the field, we looking at do it from the highest to lowest on the time frame because we already got it here.
Yeah. So
So we
you
can
want
do it
to,
from here.
yeah, so you want to get it at the highest of the highs and the
The
lowest
higher
of the
high
lows.
is in the highest high in that time frame.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And lowest lows.
But we've
Even
already
if it, even if it's just a wick, you gotta pull it to the wicks.
okay. We've already done it over here, so we could do it here.
Yeah, that's good. That's good right there. I'm just showing you like
Oh, I
it's gonna
got you.
show on every time frame. So
Oh, I got you.
uh, and then
Hold
so
on.
you would go down from the monthly, you would go to the weekly.
The weekly. Weekly.
Okay, so you see it looks a little different now, but you
Mhm.
still got those same levels highlighted.
Mhm. Yep.
So you go through all of these time frames, and when you get down to where you go from the weekly down to the daily, and then you go from the daily to the 4 hour.
This should really.
Okay, so once you do the daily, you might just scrunch the chart back up. I
Okay.
mean, zoom out or back in. Yeah, there we go.
All right.
Okay, so that's the daily. All right, go down to 4 hours.
4 hours. Okay.
All right, now you're starting to see the bigger picture from the bigger time frame. You see the bigger picture of this chart. Now, as we go down in time frame, now it's time for you to make the trade. You got your levels. You see where, you got your. Well, he don't use uh what's his name? Damn, I forgot his name. ICT don't use the terms support and resistance.
Okay.
You got your order blocks, and you got your fair value gaps, and you got your buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and all that stuff, right? So you got your levels. All right, so we on what, 4 hour?
We on 4 hours.
Okay, go down to 1 hour. All right, pull your chart in. Now I want you to do something. Go to okay, can you edit your Fibonacci chart?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna just show you some real quick, kind of how I map my charts out on the last time I showed
Yeah.
y'all my charts.
I like it.
We're just gonna change the numbers. That's all.
Mm. Oh, this one. Number. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay,
My
so
kids hadn't gave me those numbers.
these right here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they probably represent the same thing,
All right.
but
I took a picture.
but just for the audience
Okay.
and to keep it simple, we're just gonna use let me pull this up real quick. Gonna use just so y'all know, these charts that I sent y'all, they were approved by Eoba Camille. So I ran them by her first when I first sent them. All right, so we doing we buying in an uptrend. What we're gonna use is these levels. We're gonna use um gonna use 0, of course,
Mm-hmm.
50%.
The second one.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I already got 0.5. Wait, you want me to go down like this and back up? What do you mean?
Yeah. So start from the bottom and go up. Since we
Um,
it's a buying. Since we're buying.
so let me move this over so you can see. I'll move it this way so you can see.
Okay.
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 So now tell me which numbers. So
Yeah. So
zero is the
white.
top, right?
Yeah. 0 is good.
Mhm.
The green is gonna be 50. It's gonna be 50%.
This one right here? Okay.
Yeah. The green is gonna be 50%.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do 62%. Then 70.5.
70.5?
Yeah.
Point
0.50. Same thing. Yeah, 70.50 or 0.5.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I got this wrong. Oh, am I? Oh, okay. Wait. I think I'm going the wrong way.
So the purple would be
So initially,
okay, I see on the right hand side. So the
yeah, over here.
purple, right? Just type in what's that? Hold on.
So initially, I had oh, this is
Uh,
supposed to be
uh,
point. Oh, well, let me do a point. Wait, there we go. Okay, now I can do it probably. I just screwing it up. Point 705. Oh, 0 point. All right, now go ahead. I'm sorry, I didn't put the. All right, what's next?
Okay. Next is so you just did 70.5, do 60. Did you do the 62%?
No, I was supposed to do that one first.
Yeah, before the 70.
But this one is point. So you had the same thing.
Yeah.
You said 62, and this one was at 6.1.
Yeah. So it goes 0, 50%, 62%.
Okay,
And
7.
then 70.5.
5. Uh-huh.
Uh,
Then what?
and then we got 79%. And then 100.
So I had one too many lines.
I think so.
How many lines you got?
It should be, let me see. It should be 6. 6 lines.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I had too many. Let's see if it looks like that.
Yes. Yes, that's perfect. Okay. So let's notate these each. All right, so we're gonna type the different levels.
Wait, I don't have the 0. I see it. Okay. So you mean notate them? You said okay.
Yeah. So the 50% we're gonna notate as equilibrium. You know how to spell it?
Equal. Equal. 2 L's. Librium.
So EQUIL, Librium.
EQUIL.
Yeah, equilibrium.
IL.
IBRIUM.
Mm-hmm. I spelled that
There
right.
you
Sure don't look like I spelled that
go.
right.
Hold on. Click on it and see what it say.
You know I got that. I ain't got my mouse pad. Hold on. Let me put it in my Google. EQUIL. I got it. I got one too many L's.
Oh, okay.
EQUILIB. There we go. Equilibrium.
Yep.
All right. That's the 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay, that one is my green. So I'm putting in green. Yes.
Yep. You're gonna slide that right next to it. All right.
We can put it on the right or left.
Left.
Okay.
All right. So we're establishing that 50% is equilibrium,
Okay.
which just represents the middle between the lowest and the lower between 0% and 50%. So we got equilibrium. Okay, now, all right, so 70.5% is going to be OTE. OTE
What is
stands
it?
for, huh? You can just type OTE,
Mm-hmm.
but that stands for optimal trade entry. So what that means is that is the best area for you to get into the trade.
Okay.
That's the optimal. If you get in cheaper, great. But you want to make sure you get in right there. You know, not 79%, you know, and definitely not 100% if we're buying up. Then that's normally where retail traders get in at. So, you know, excuse me.
Okay. So we trading above. Right now it's trading above 0.79.
Mm-hmm. So
we look at, go ahead.
Technically we will be too late.
Yeah. So we would need to wait to see.
Wait till it come down to this area. Yeah, you got it.
If it breaks the white line, it could be a possible short. And then if it continues in the uptrend.
Mm-hmm. So if we want to, so if we want to short it, let's say we want to short it. Let's say it breaks between that white line, right? We're just gonna flip. We're gonna flip the Fibonacci, and we're gonna play to short it.
Okay, gotcha. But right now we're playing to the upside.
Yeah. So you see it consolidated right here, and then it broke out. It broke out. So now we waiting. We're waiting to see what that next candle is gonna do, and it could go up here and test this level up here, the $100 level.
Right.
It could go up there.
Up here?
Yeah. Now, normally, you know, we wouldn't do nothing. We would just sit and watch, you know. And once it hit that $100 level, you know, that next candle is gonna tell us what we need to do.
Right.
But we're not buying. We already out of the range for buying. You know, retail traders are gonna be buying this right here. Because we're out of the optimal trade entry. Now, could you possibly, you know, still make some money, you know, at the 79% level? Possibly, you could. It's a risk.
Over here.
But as I said before, we want to stay at that optimal trade entry or lower.
Sorry, I just wanted to put this up there. Let me bring it down.
Okay.
Right.
So, we can wait until it, tests at 100. Maybe it rejects, and, we can plan to short it, and we would just flip the Fibonacci. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's flip the Fibonacci and let's play off this.
One.
Yeah, go ahead and save it. And then we can see, what we can do as far as possibly shorten.
I wanted to see. Let's see. Did it save?
I sure hope so.
Let's see. I think it did because it wouldn't have saved. It would see it's not great no more. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're gonna flip it, right?
Yep. We're gonna flip the fib for a bearish sentiment.
Now this time I'm gonna take it. Oh, I did this on the same chart.
Yeah.
I did it on okay. Oh snap! Hold on, I'm screwing up.
Now we start out on the daily.
I did it on the. You mean do it on daily? I did that on the monthly.
You started on the monthly or you started on the daily?
I did the fib on the monthly. Remember?
Are you sure? I know we did. I know we had it on there.
Hold on.
But where did we start at though?
Hold on. Or maybe I did. Maybe I did it on there. Did I do it? Oh, maybe I did do it on daily. Hold up. We'll see in a second.
Okay.
Yeah, I did it on daily.
Okay.
Because I did it right here. Yeah. Okay.
All right, cool. So
now I'm going from bottom up this way.
Yeah. Yep.
To the right. Okay.
Uh-huh.
To this highest point right here.
Mm-hmm. Stretch that thing out. There we go. All right.
Uh-huh. All right.
All right. So now you see how the fib is flipped.
Yep.
Okay. So
right here, it would have to come all the way down here. Plus the buy, that would be our buy entry over here. No, or the 5.
No.
Let's say the 7-9.
Oh, look where we at. Remember,
we
optimal trade. Yeah. So
let me put that back up again.
This is we shorten now. Remember, this has happened already. This is not where we want to short at the bottom. We don't want to short at the bottom.
Oh,
we want to short at the top.
So it would be here.
Yeah, so the optimal trade entry will be your 70%.
Here.
So we will want to wait. I wouldn't say we would have to wait, but look how big the gap is. Oh, okay, you got to put those back over there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a big gap.
Okay, and then we got the optimal trade entry. I mean the equilibrium. Equilibrium.
That's the 50?
Yeah.
It's right here.
You got it?
Yep.
All right. So now, this is a possible double top, right?
Yeah.
All right. So based off of our levels right here, where would you want to get in the trade?
Based on our levels.
Yeah.
And this is for shorting, right?
Mm-hmm.
I see right here.
Okay. So since we don't know what this candle is gonna do, this is what we're gonna do. Pull the fib to this other candle right here. That top green candle to the left.
This one? Top green one to the this one.
No, over left. Go to the left.
All right. I'm over here.
Yeah. So pull it over. Pull the fib over to the top over here. This high.
You want? Wait a minute. This one? You know we got it. Wait. You
right
want
there? Right there.
Oh.
And now pull that down. Pull it down to that bottom green candle, to the lowest low.
Even though we pulled it from the opposite way?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep, right there. And just slide it over a little bit to the left.
I think there's price in the bottom. He said one fib with a tight stop loss.
Mm-hmm. So, okay. So now we got the highest high and the lowest low. Now, based on this, where are you getting into the trade? Where are you confident in getting into the trade? Because you know your 0% level, that is the best possible opportunity ever. That's where you catch everything if you're lucky enough to get it. But we just mapping this out from where it is now to trying to find these levels. And put the OT on the 70%, not the 79%.
Oh.
Yeah, right there.
Okay. So they're right here.
So you see it break down. You see it break down. Boom, 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 boom. And then it hit equilibrium.
Right.
Okay. Would you get in if that was all that you seen?
What, if that was all I seen?
Yeah.
To short?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So now
them 3 red candles. Yeah.
Okay. So now from equilibrium down to your optimum trade entry, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm reminding everybody this is the daily. I'm reminding everybody this is a daily chart now. So looking at it break through equilibrium, then it breaks through your 62% area. Now it bounced back up, then it breaks down again, and it hits your what?
It hit the OTE, optimum entry.
And then after it breaks through the optimum trade entry, what does it do?
Fall to glory. Nah, it created another lower low.
Right. So what I'm trying to get y'all to see is you're not always gonna short at the perfect moment, which is that big gap between your 0% and equilibrium. I mean, if you could, great. But you don't know exactly what the stock is gonna do. You know, you just see it breaking down. Now, once it breaks through equilibrium, then you start rubbing your hands a little bit. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Let's break the next level. Okay, break the next level, and then it reverses,
Comes
and then
back.
it breaks down again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is your cue. Okay, let me jump in right here.
So
And
this
that's
is
what,
about. I
yeah.
got
So you were short right there. And then,
how many days did they do that? One.
that's 3 days.
That's three.
Oh, well, altogether, yeah, that's more than that. But where,
One,
where you could potentially
two,
short at,
three.
and
Yeah, you could have got a good one right here. Three. And if you it wasn't sure the uncertainty, that was
yeah,
definitely a good stop right there.
yeah. And that's all you need. ICT teaches that, you don't have to get the whole move. You just get, the optimal trade entry. You mapped it out, let the trade play out, and then get your bag. It's simple. It could be just that one candle. I'm just showing it on a bigger time frame right here. But once we go to like the 5 minute, then you can really see it playing out.
Gotcha.
And it broke down perfectly for you. 3 big red candles too.
Nice. Yep. We're done.
The people be thinking, "Oh man, I'm a short from the top." Shorting from the top is ideal, but it's not gonna. It's very slim chance that you catch that. You got to be very lucky. So, you wait for the setup. You don't chase it. You wait for it, and it broke down like it was supposed to, as we can see on the chart. The Fed. It gave us, it gave us a good trade, a good entry.
So if I thought, so let's go back because this one,
Mhm.
oh, let me save this one because this is the other way, opposite way.
Yeah.
Oh, I already saved the chart one time. All right. So if I was thinking that the calls are going to be looking good and I want to trade I want to plan it for the upside and I put my field back the other way, right?
Yep.
Oh, let me see if the chart saved.
All right.
It's bad. You try to go back and find it. Go find it at.
And this how you really good when you take the Fibonacci off and you got your equilibrium, your OTE, high up there. Now you can map your trade out and just go like that, bam, bam, bam.
Boom. Boom. That's the way, but going from the top to the bottom.
Yep. Yep. All right. Let's see. We want to ride it.
I messed it up. Hold on.
Oh.
All right. And then now
Equilibrium is right.
It's still the 5. Wow, that's crazy.
Yep. Equilibrium don't move. It stay.
And then they go, and that's my optimal entry.
Yep.
And so I'm going to move the chart this way because I'm planning for that. And I would when I looked to the previous year, what it did in the previous year, it seemed like it consolidated a little bit. It moved off of and then it actually did an increase. So let me show you.
Mm-hmm.
So if I did all, let me spread it out some. 2000 right here. This is January 4th, 2001.
2021.
21. Oh, I wanted to go 22. Sorry. So let me go a little further.
Okay.
January 3rd,
Mm-hmm.
22, right here. So that's over to the monthly. So that's not where I want to go. Let me go back to the daily. Bring it in. Oh Lord, what have I done, Chris?
I don't know, but shoot.
Oh, I changed the chart. Look like. Oh Lord, that's the R side.
Oh no. Hit undo.
Now that's funny. I just
Yeah.
let's
There we
see.
go.
All right, here we go. 22 right here.
Mm-hmm.
January 7th, 22. Right here. Boom. It was doing the same thing. Let me open it up a little bit so you can see. All right. Right here. So boom, it's kind of doing the same thing. Consolidating.
Broke down.
Let's see if I can bring it in some. Let's watch it in. Bring it over so we can see. Yeah, so yeah, here, see?
Yep.
And then so they don't have earnings until February,
Mm-hmm.
the 23rd, I think. So if it does if you assume that it may do kind of the same thing it did last year, consolidate out, pull back, and then upside, pull back, and then in March and April.
Mm-hmm. And it's breaking through the previous highs.
Yep. So possible. Paper trade it, see what it does.
Mm-hmm.
Paper traded a friend, cause see, it's consolidating here. Same thing.
Yep. All right. Now take it down to 5 minutes.
Let's go 5.
All right.
Yep. Price said, he said, structure looks like potential for repeat at lower magnitude.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's more zoomed in.
All right. This is the 5 minute.
Okay.
Lots of gaps.
Yep.
Lots of gaps.
Well, we can clearly see it's a W pattern or double bottom.
Yep, double bottom.
And
then it had some January came in, it ran all our light bills up.
Yep.
Because it was cold as hell for Christmas.
Yeah. Man, shoot.
Then they're gonna come back and get all this little liquidity that it gained here.
Mm-hmm. So
right here. And if it takes this out, if it takes that out right there, then
yeah. Going down. Right now it's consolidating. It ended the week out on a green candle.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it ended on the green.
So we'll see. We'll see. It's gonna break down or it's gonna shoot through that high.
Yeah, let's see the 15 minute. Same thing. Same scenario. Looks like. Jeez, this gap right here.
Big gap. And it's gonna need to be filled.
Yeah, right there. At some point.
Mm-hmm.
At some point, because this is a double gap. Look, I mean, it filled it there on that one.
Mm-hmm.
And this one was filled here. And I don't see no upside gaps. These have already been filled here. And yeah, this is a new gap, look like.
Mm-hmm.
Other than what there was left over here. way over here.
And those big candles have to be filled as well.
Oh, these, yeah, the big institutions.
Yeah.
So you saying this one right here? Well, that's
Yeah.
red going down. We talking about big green or big red?
Both. They all got to be filled.
Oh yeah, because that's money. Yeah.
Yeah, because those are parabolic candles. You know what is institutions? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
That pink line has to be confirmed as support. This one, yeah. So basically, you're saying if it takes this pink line here on this one, if it bounces, either gonna bounce off of it, or it's gonna come through it and possibly come here, or it'll come fill these gaps down over here.
yeah.
This is only one small gap.
Yeah, one way or another, those gaps are gonna get filled. I just wouldn't be. I wouldn't want to be on the other side of it.
Probably in a few months.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go back to the yearly, the daily. What we said. On a daily. Yeah, so it would be here, the 91. Yeah, if it broke on the daily, if it breaks that equilibrium, that's where it's going. Yeah. Of course, it we took it back the other way. That's why they had that low. We say, "Wow, that's a huge fall."
Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, I shot right back up.
Right. Yeah.
It fill some gaps.
Yeah. It seems like it's one of the things where when it pulls back, it pulls. Look at this one. Yeah. Let's see. But that's later. What is this? It's later. It's the October time frame. This is June. This is April. And this is February. This is January. So it's consolidates. So it would be a question of, you can make small plays look like pretty good ones too.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, Sonny? What up, Sonny?
Sonny.
You over chilling? Hey, Sonny, why y'all sell that beach back? What's going on? How y'all just gonna sell the beach back? It's crazy.
Tough.
Hold on one second, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So you want to do another one?
Yeah. Let's go to the. You want to stay with utilities, or you want to do something else?
We did a couple utilities. Let's do. Hold on. Let's see what we got on our list over here. Let's do energy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
go. We're gonna start at the top on anyone in particular.
Anyone in particular, that's fine.
All right, let's do APA. All right, let's go. All right, look at our dividends first. APA.
Was y'all able to hear me that whole time when I was talking?
No. Were you saying anything?
Oh wow. Damn. That's
We
crazy.
said your name a few times.
Yeah, I thought I was talking to y'all. I said peace. I said hi. How's everybody doing? I know I'm coming in here late. I was trying to catch up on what everybody was talking about.
We
Dang,
analyzing
that's crazy.
we analyzing some stocks Chris had outlined out. We started with some utilities. Now we moving to energy. We just on our second company though.
Okay.
So we looking at the dividend, we looking at the revenues, we looking at the charts, historical data. They have some commentary on it. So this one we're looking at right now is APA Corporation.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that chart. Looks so healthy. So I'm gonna look to see if it has a dividend. Price say what's up. He in the chat, chilling.
Hey, peace, peace. Has there ever been a time where energy wasn't doing good, like as far like for a whole year or for a long period of time?
I gotta check it out. Now this one, I mean, I don't know because I'm not sure, but it's something we can look up.
Mm-hmm.
Now this company, the dividend changed quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
It was like 2 cents in 2020, and in 2021 it went to 6 cents, and now it's at 12 cents in 2022.
That means they doing their dividends based off performance.
Okay,
Seem
so
like
let's check it out.
you gonna go to macro trend?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go to Macrotrain. Let's see. APA. And go to financials. All right, so revenues. So the revenues picked up. It dropped in 2020, but everybody dropped in 2020. And it is picked back up in 2021.
That's the answer, Over Sunny. So I think during hikes or times where the economy is going through some turmoil, I think that's when everything starts to pull back. The reason why it's different now is because war, and then you have inflation, high inflation. So that would actually make energy more expensive.
Ooh, this one dropped.
The APA been getting
Hammer.
scalped.
But has it ever been where it was just like how tech could be going bad for a while, or it could be, excuse me, commodities going bad for a while, or just different things like that.
I believe so. I'm not super sure, but I'm pretty sure
I
that
think in the fall.
it's been getting beat down before.
Yeah, we ain't looking it down. We might
Because I think even gold has been down for a while, a couple of times, right?
Yeah, they manipulate the price of gold so much, like they'll beat it down. JP Morgan them got caught doing that too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
they
swear
got caught.
You talking about it as far as shorts, or you talking about on something else?
No, I'm just talking about commodity spaces, gold, just in general.
Oh.
Yeah, they manipulate the price of
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's about whoever has the most, and whoever has the most actually controls the value. You see that with FTX.
Mm-hmm. Yep. What you looking at, Mo? You
that
went from
Arch.
APA to Arch?
APA is horrible. It got too much debt. It got like, oh my God. I wrote I rolled out quick.
Mhm.
Well, I mean, but you got to look at how much debt does it have within so many years, because like SoFi has a $25 billion debt, but they have like I think 20 years to pay it or something like that, or 15 years to pay it.
Well, I ain't sticking around.
Yeah, so
Okay.
you gotta look at how long it is that they have to pay the debt. And then yeah.
Look at this chart. Okay, I'm gonna go back to it. Christian, where you be getting rolled out? APA. Listen, honey. Cindy talking about go check out how long. I'm looking like whatever. Look at this. Let me show you. Where we at? Debt to equity ratio, not 9.21. Nah, we good.
Yeah.
They somehow, somewhere, they got into debt to get money. Seems like it. Because why would you have that kind of income, that kind of sales? I mean, you don't pay your bills.
Right.
Something going on.
Somebody getting pimped in that situation.
Or somebody overinflating them books.
Yeah. Like somebody getting pimped in that situation.
Yeah, that's crazy. 9%.
Yeah.
A lot. Anything over 1, they looking at you sideways.
Yeah.
This mean the next few rate hikes, they might be doing heavy drops.
See,
You could be looking at that for the puts.
Yeah. Yeah. They been get beat up. APA for sure.
I see. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah.
Maybe they had a
Yeah.
run for some reason.
Hold on. Let me scoot this over a little bit.
They had some run for some reason when.
Back in 2019, 2009.
But do you know why I selected this, right?
And then they dropped. Why?
From 2020 to 2022, what is the percentage gain on this company?
2020 to 2022?
Correct.
Oh,
It's
yeah, it
low.
looks like they had a large gain. From here, it went from 3. Yeah, that's a lot. Hold on, let me change it to percent. Wait, how do you know? Oh, hold on, I got it. Don't tell me. No, I don't know. I forgot. I just put it on percentage.
Yeah, you put it on percentage.
Oh, but that doesn't.
No. Oh, let me open this up.
Tell me, Chris.
It's 46% within a year.
Yeah, see, from here to here,
46.82%.
from dang $3.82 all the way up until we get 52 cents. Yeah, that's a lot.
63% within the last 10 years. It's an independent energy company that explores,
Where you reading
develops,
from?
and produces natural gas, crude oil, stash.
Okay.
It produces its own natural gas, crude oil, and natural gas liquids. The company's production segments include the United States, Egypt, United Kingdom, North Sea. It also pursues exploration interests in Suriname. North America, the company has 3 onshore regions: the Permian region, the Mid-Continent Gulf Coast region. The Permian region located in West Texas and New Mexico includes the Permian sub-basins, the Midland Basin, Central Basin Platform, Northwest Shelf, and Delaware Basin, and blah, 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 and all that other stuff. So
you would put the fib on this?
Is this where
Go ahead, son.
I ask questions? Or go ahead.
Yes, this is where you ask questions.
Okay.
I'm just looking at this little chart. Sunday good. Sunday cool. Go ahead, Sunday. Let me put the field up.
So you looking at this long term?
I'm not looking. We just doing research. We're not.
Oh,
We're not. It's not something we just picked out. We just going through the charts and see what's good. What's some things that we might
mean,
want.
I mean, looking at it long term,
it's horrible.
this is no, not really.
Man,
It's
look,
still performing. It's
this
still performing
it,
over 10 years.
this
That's
is why I said
63%.
Hey,
this is
Chris,
why I
they
said
asked who they selling natural gas to. I'm sorry. Who I cut somebody off? I'm sorry.
no. Go ahead. I'd
No,
say it
I
after.
was reading the chat. Price asked who were they selling natural gas to. He said that makes sense if they're into exploration.
Egypt and the UK.
Okay. Go ahead, Sonny. It's on you.
Yeah, I just look at it. If you would have been investing that over time, like say monthly or something like that over time, by the time it gets to where it's at right now, you be losing. And on top of that, is in heavy debt. I think I was going to mention when you said the spike up in 2009, right after the economy started getting back together after 2008. In 2009 is when it started getting more back together. And so you started having companies that spike. It could have been we could look more into it. That's probably why they're heavy in debt. It could have been they had got a got out of a debt situation or a financial situation, and that's when they started doing good with their company with the money, and then next thing you know they started dumping. But if you
Oh,
look
this
at
is
their spots,
this the housing bubble. What's a housing bubble?
But
Is
you
that
talking
what
about
you saying?
2008,
You
2008.
saying you saying in the housing bubble? That's why they dip like that up here.
global financial crisis,
Oh,
GFC,
right. Huh?
the
Yeah,
GFC, the global financial crisis.
Okay.
yeah.
And then this right here, this red candle is COVID.
And what
Yeah.
I would say, what I would say though, if you've been holding for 10 years, I'm thinking this company went through a split. Thinking it
Oh,
went through
okay,
a
yeah.
stock split.
Okay, yeah,
Let's
that'd
see.
be different
Let's
too.
check it out.
Let's see.
Put it on the daily, it should show it.
Oh, on a daily.
Well, you could look it up, but if you put it on the daily, it should pop up on there.
Yeah, it
You
has
got
6 stock splits. So
you got it on Webull, right?
I was trading view.
It's
Oh,
Trader View.
oh, never mind.
It looked like you could make you may be able to do something right here.
Matter of fact, we on
Maybe
Zoom. I can
small.
look it up. Hold on.
I'll move. On
What
this
is it?
OTE
APA?
right here. Huh?
Yeah, APA.
Yeah, APA stock split.
What you say, Mo? My bad.
I said that it may be a little small move. If it comes back, it tested.
They
It
did
tested
4
this
of them.
support.
Sorry, Mo.
You found it tested this support right here, and it ended in that green candle. But if it goes in a little uptrend, you could possibly make a small. That's small, but that's about $2 and some change
Look at your levels.
right here.
Damn.
Yeah, what we looking at? What we looking
That's
at?
my OTE right here, the purple one.
So where was you get in?
Depends on what it do next. After
So
it hits it.
if we looking at this green candle right here,
Which one?
it's a daily, right? Yeah. This is
Yeah.
where we at, right?
Yeah.
So where we at?
Wait, that's a
That's
daily?
equilibrium, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
that's daily.
let me see. Yeah, the equilibrium is my green one.
All right, so we at equilibrium right now.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go up a little bit. I think it'll give me a little. It'll give you a little play. If it comes, we at equilibrium, well, close to it, not quite. It
Well, we're
tested
between
it.
equilibrium and OTE, the OTE, I mean not OTE, but the 62% level, right?
Yes,
So what would you do in this situation? Would you
I watch it to get it. I would watch it, and my OTE would be my resistance, and if it crosses my resistance, depending on that candle, it could be a small play to the upside,
okay?
and I'll be paying off for all this right here.
Now look
Go too
look
fast.
at your fibs and look at your levels. Do we got gaps to fill?
No, so you saying there will be no reason? Let me see.
Looking at your highs and looking at your lows.
Hold on, let me bring it over some more to the left so I can see. Nah, we ain't got no gap, so there would be a risk because ain't nothing else going over there to the left.
You know why else is a risk too?
Because
Is
right now it's consolidating. My bad.
look at your RSI.
My RSI is down in the 40s. That's why I said it would be a small uptrend.
Yeah, it's on a downtrend though. It's headed headed down.
It's headed down, but usually it could test. Like I said, it could test the equilibrium. That'll bring that RSI down, and if it doesn't break to the downside and it bounces, then I'd wait for it to come to the OTE, whether or not you want to make a small little trend. Cool. I'm saying if I was to play it, if I had to make a choice on if I wanted to do it, that's what I would see. If the equilibrium would serve as the support and the OTE would be the resistance. And if it would cross it, you could make a nice small little
I would make an argument that
okay, make the
no,
argument.
I
this
see a
is
resistance.
that it was
Yeah.
that is breaking down, right? So if we flip the fib,
I'm gonna flip it.
yeah.
Okay.
So flip the fib for a potential short position.
Okay. I'm learning.
Mm-hmm.
Now it really looks like it's going to go down because you can see the double top. You can see or head and shoulders actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going down.
All right. So look.
All right now. Oh, it's way down there. For a downtrend, it's way down there. Shoot.
So we wouldn't do anything yet because we at equilibrium.
Right.
We're close to equilibrium, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we need to see a little bit more. We needed to break down a little bit more for us to pull the trigger.
Oh yeah, if you're going short,
Yeah.
yeah, you definitely have to wait.
Because
that's on both sides of the spectrum.
Mm-hmm.
No, I mean, if you was trying to look at it on a upward trend, you'll probably be watching it for that bounce. But yeah, I don't see it.
It bounced right here.
Because we can say that it's really just consolidate right now.
Mm-hmm. I mean, we could say a lot of stuff, but I'm just looking at it. Just if we only look at this, I'm only looking at that head and shoulders pattern, right? And then it hit that equilibrium and got its bounce.
Well, let's see.
But it's still on a downward trend, a heavy downward trend.
Okay, well, let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, let's zoom out a little bit.
Same thing.
It's looking like a crayon box.
The crayon box.
All right, can you pull it out some?
This way?
Yeah, there we go. All right. Now we got a bigger picture. We gonna keep going down in time. If we consolidate the time, it should paint another picture. But look, what's important though is it hasn't broke through
Hasn't broken
equilibrium.
equilibrium. It's still trading above it.
So me, I'm sitting on my hands to see what it's gonna do. All right, what time frame we on now?
1 hour.
1 hour. All right.
Same thing for everybody.
Okay, so if we sitting on our hands to see what it's gonna do, then what
We
about
done
the
missed the trade already for this. We done missed the trade for this.
Oh
already.
heck yeah. That's
Yeah,
definitely
we missed it from over here in August.
Now
A lot
he
of
does.
things happened in
He,
August.
yeah, he does make a compelling point though. If we looking at this high here, not the one you got leveled
This
off
one?
over here to the left.
So you want me
Yeah,
to do this
that
one?
one right there. If we pulled it there, we are seeing a little bit of downtrend, but it's not breaking through equilibrium yet. Now, if we could have took the trade over here, and made a little bag.
All right, let's do it from that one.
What is this right here? Okay.
Let's do it. We can do it from
So
this.
pull it from there and then pull it down, to that low right there. There you go. All right. All right. Okay.
I went high. So equilibrium is right here. Well, where it's bounced off a couple times. Yeah, this still ain't no play. Yeah, this is down. This is definitely it would be.
They finished.
Huh?
They finished.
For the upside,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I wouldn't see it on here because look how far. I mean, you have a long way to get back into that OTE.
So you would not be buying.
Let me do it the other way then.
You would not be buying. You would just be waiting patiently. It'd probably be more of a short. Let's see. Let's flip this. Flip the fib. Put it on that high there, that low. All right. So what we got?
So this is the equilibrium right here, and my purple. That's my OTE right here. Shoot, yeah, we missed that.
Yeah. So we would have got in right there. We probably would have got in right there.
If we want to do something to see if it will come down for another short, we'd have to use this one right here. We'd have to use this one.
And we can pull that. We can pull that down. But hold on, what's the daily? Go to the 4 hour real quick before you switch that. Yeah, go to the 4 hour before you switch that.
Right, right there in the middle with that big red candle, right? Right above, right above. Yeah, right there. No, the other one. Yeah, that one right there. Right. Now from there all the way up into Friday, right? If you wasn't looking at that and you just looked at what the stock had been doing prior to that, right? And when it got to that equilibrium, you would have expected it to fire up because it looks like it's it's bull flagging.
It looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like
this is what I was gonna get into when I was gonna say this. Like we look at the charts, and if we're planning on, okay, this ain't gonna be the move because we're too late, we should look at the fundamental parts of it too. And so the fundamental parts would be kind of different because we'll look at why these stocks started going down like it is, and why it might be a higher percentage that is not going up come next week or the week after.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We just mapping it out.
That's that
Looking
price.
at
That's what I
time frame.
said. The equilibrium is looking like support.
No, but that'll be
Yeah.
good for put options though. So like preparing it
Yeah.
on the flip
Oh
side,
yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like looking at it. Okay, bam, something happened because it was on the move up. You see where it's a bunch of green candles. There was a bunch of volume coming in. It was a bunch of buys, and then all of a sudden it leveled out, and then it had a heavy fall,
Came back. I took it all back out. The symbol.
and people started selling off. You had a few buys after that, and then some more heavy sales. So what's making them have heavy sales? What was the, you know what I'm saying? What was the fundamental? What was the cause of it? And
Okay,
then
so they
like
had
how
End of the
earnings.
year
They
how
had
Mo,
earnings in November, right?
uh-huh.
And
earning.
it gapped up,
They beat earnings.
right? And then it fell afterwards. It fell down to glory a little bit.
So
So
earnings gave them that little
yeah,
came
and
back
then
to that
then
level
look,
where it was.
it filled, it came back and filled that gap, and then it broke through it,
Yep, here.
shot up a little bit, came back down, shot up a little bit, came back down. So we could say that it's starting to make lower lows, because we can see the red candle right here, the spinning top. It broke through that previous low.
Yeah, I can see it.
So it could be a by looking at this, we could see or look at, a shortened position. That could be our thesis right there. It broke through the first lower low.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got.
But see, if we look at it on a longer time frame, will we have to? I mean, if we look at it further back, will we have to look at it on a longer time frame of trade?
Yeah, you always start with the bigger time frame, and then you go down smaller to actually make your trade. Because the bigger time frame is supposed to give you the idea or the bigger picture of what's going on and what possibly will happen, and you just map it out. And see, we mapping it out. That was the four. What was that? We was looking
We
at.
mapped it on the daily. Now we on.
Okay, that was the daily, right?
Yeah.
So then you would go down to the 4 hour, and then you go down the hour, then 30 minutes, and 5 or 15 minutes, however you do it, and you make your trade based off that.
It might be coming to fill these dang gaps.
Because it broke this lower low over here, your previous low. So now,
if it tests that and come back, it could. If it takes out this green candle right here, then it's gonna come.
I mean, for us, if we wanted to trade this, we might want to be looking for it to go back up, because we done missed the short position. Because our entry was here.
Yeah, up here. I mean here.
Yeah, we missed that entry. Now we could still possibly get in, but that's where retailers mess up. They get in at the wrong point, because it can reverse. Look at that green candle right here. It could reverse. And that ain't just some small green candle either. That's a nice little chump change right there. Nice change. So that's why I say, looking at the different time frames, you can get a better idea, of the probabilities and possibilities.
So if you was trading this Monday, what would you think this would be doing?
I will wait. I will wait one more day to see, because this green candle, that's a reversal candle. Now the previous candle, it closed red, but then you got a nice size green candle. That could be a reversal. It could easily shoot right back up.
Mm.
And
we could look to see what the options have.
and honestly, I would probably be looking to buy calls. I probably would look to buy calls right here. Because I have no short position. I cannot short this. Like this, that's why I said I would probably wait till the end of the day Monday. And that would give me more time, and I could make a decision. But this green candle is enough to make me think, well, it broke the lower low, but it closed green and it closed up. So I can't really, put all my eggs on shorting it when it ended green and it closed green. Not in it, well, in the green and closed green, the same thing. It reversed. It reversed and then it closed green. And
Now remember, this field
reversed.
is to the downside, to the short position. So you will play a
Short.
upside. You would play a call off of the Fibonacci.
Just the days. Just some days. Not weeklies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you would just do a few days. Try to get in the money and play something quick.
See, that's what I was saying. A call earlier, $2-3, $1 to $2-3. You got some room for based on it going the other way, but that was just off of.
Now you can buy puts. You can buy weekly puts on this because that is, that's the overall sentiment that we're getting from, the breakdown here. But the green candle, it closing green. That's good enough for a reversal for a day.
Look at where is it on the bands? Bounced off the bottom. Bounced off the bottom. It has that's consolidation. And let's look at linear regression. But that's the 4 hour.
You see, the linear regression, it's got it coming slightly down. But like Oba like to say, that green candle, that could be a reversal. I say maybe a daily option trade.
Let's see what the 200 MA at.
All right. I was gonna also say move to like a 15-minute or 5-minute.
Okay, let me just put that up. I usually have I don't know why I ain't had that up the whole time. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Let me see on this one.
What the?
Yeah, it bounced off that 200 moving day average. It dipped underneath it and it came back and make it a little more solid. Right. Yeah. What's up, Sonny? What you gonna say?
Oh, nothing. I was smoking, so I had clicked it off.
Oh,
yeah, so look, where is it? The 2 that's on the where you want me to go to 4 hour, you said?
And we're gonna go down 4 hours, 1 hour.
We 4 hour right now, so we can go to 1 hour.
All right.
Now on the 1 hour chart, it's trading underneath the 200 moving day average.
But look,
ain't this like a y'all call like a cat head bounce? That's not it.
That could be considered a cup and handle.
That means it got a little bit more to go.
That's what I'm saying. It could be short term.
It could be rounding out too.
That's why I said it could be a cup and handle, but it's short term. Short term.
Let's keep going.
All right. So that was the
hour chart. That's
right.
the hour.
Do 30 minutes.
Let's see. This could be playing out like it's the same thing. 30 minutes. Same round out.
Mm-hmm.
Could be moving back towards that 200. Like I said, $2-3
Mm-hmm.
at some point. I just don't know.
All right, let's go
15
to
minutes, 5 minutes.
and just go to 5.
Could
All
be
right.
round into your cup. Then that's your cup. $2.
Now see, look, on the 5 minute, it closed.
Above. Oh, at the red.
Yeah, it closed red. But let's try to scrunch that fib and see where the numbers are. If we can.
The 5 minute, but you know the green right here, and that's your OTC.
So that's
That's
OT.
the green. That's the
Yeah.
fib. I mean, that's the equilibrium, and the purple is the OT.
Now, is it reversed though? Is
Yeah,
this
it's reversed. That's just to the downside. The fib is
okay?
to the downside.
Okay, so
But yeah, like y'all said, y'all probably missed the short.
yeah, so if we flip it, we might have an opportunity to buy short term, maybe a day, maybe a couple hours.
Yeah,
But it should present an opportunity. Zoom in on this part right here, the last little leg over here.
like this.
Yeah, zoom in. Yeah, let's see this over here. It look like some gaps is filling over here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
There's a gap up here. A down. That's a down. Yeah.
What is that? The VWAP? That orange?
200.
That's your 200?
Yep.
What are you looking at it on? Because
5
I'm
minutes.
looking at it on the 200, and it's under the 200.
On the 5 minute.
Wait, hold on.
Price said 5 minute local high is at the white line. A higher high equals long play. Right. Local high. Yep, that's right there.
Yep.
And at the white line, a higher high equals a long play. So
Okay.
basically you saying if it comes to the white line and gives a higher high in this time period,
it might be a potential buy. Can you zoom in a little bit?
like this.
Yeah.
This on a 5 minute,
That's fine.
Okay.
We can take the fib on the 5 minute too.
And take it off now, do it on the 5.
Yeah.
You want to go into the up or the down?
Let's look potential for up.
Okay.
True. Buy. Look for opportunity to buy. Now pull it down. Pull it down to
It's right there.
over here. To the right. Put it to the right.
Which right?
Yeah, down here where your marker is.
What marker?
Where your mouse is. Where your mouse is. Over
Right
here.
here? You want to put it out some more?
Yeah. Pull it all the way down to that high right.
To the high?
Yeah, at the bottom over here.
Right here, right?
And this one trading. Yeah. Where we gonna look to trade at? No, all the way down. Way down.
Yeah.
See where the 200 is curving down?
Oh, you put it there.
You'll pull it down there.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. right there. So they got it in
Uh-uh.
I got it in the wrong
Take
spot
take the top of your Fibonacci and pull it
over here.
down. Yeah, to the high over here. There we go.
Hold
And we
on.
just
Let me
gonna
make it
zoom
big.
in right there. There we go. That's where we want to be at, right there.
No, let me get this right.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all want to hear what I gotta say?
Yep.
Okay, it looks like it's still trending the same way it's been trending before it had a good day on the 5th and the 6th. Because the 5th and the 6th is what made it have that jump. Prior to that, it's been downtrending a dollar or to 50 cents every day down.
Right. Which is what we established that it was gonna
Yeah. So it'd be on the page of to me, if it was on the Monday, we was talking about the Monday tip. If it was Monday, huh?
Monday Night Football. Go ahead.
I'd be looking for the downtrend in the pre-market, because the pre-market gonna tell it all getting ready for opening, and I'll be looking at it in the pre-market getting ready for the opening, and then that way you could hit up where you're gonna put your puts, because I'll be looking for people to buy into it going into the opening.
Oh, what you doing?
Oh, I switched it. Oh, you put it back in that direction? Okay,
Yeah, put it back because we got action. We got action.
Yeah, you do have a little action.
All right, so we got our levels, right?
You got action both ways, probably.
Yeah. So okay.
What is that?
So
Is that a
where we at?
resistance?
That's No,
Is that
that's
a resistance?
this the equal
With that last, no, I'm saying where that last red candle is, right? It hit a resistance right there.
Yeah, that's that would be your OTE, 1 or 2
Yeah.
things. That would be if it breaks through that, you got a little buy.
Mm-hmm.
You can come in. If it's gonna do a cup and handle, it has a little play. A little bit more before it. But if it doesn't, if it bounces off of it, then you know. But
It's technically still in range. You know, you still could possibly buy, but like Sonny said, checking pre-market
let's check that
and
away.
see what it's going do. It's going to shake and move, and then we map out puts. Map out puts right here.
We're gonna look at this way. Uh-oh. I should have went. I did it right?
No, Mo, you crazy.
I thought you're supposed to take it from the bottom up when you go on that one.
Yeah, you do. I don't know if you can switch those numbers to the right side instead of the left. You see what I'm saying?
Well, maybe I need to do it on a higher time period.
No, I'll keep it right here because we mapping out.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's 5 minutes. Okay.
That's cool. Just do it the way you've been doing it.
And I'm gonna see if I can flip it. Hold on. There we go.
Yep, and just.
Oh, I got it. I'll put it right.
Yeah.
Like that. There you go.
Hold on. Now the numbers are still on the left.
Oh, darn it.
Let's put it. You can just pull it back over. It's all good. You can look through it. I thought it did it at first too. Shoot.
So we still waiting for it to come all the way down here.
Yeah.
to get a potential, you know, if you're gonna use that logic, the OTE, you don't lose. I can spread it out like this.
That's why I said we waiting on that one candle, that red candle right there.
Yeah, you're still waiting for that to come.
But the trend is set right here. The trend is set.
Yeah.
You know, obviously it reversed from the bottom, from the low. Now hit that resistance. Now we got to see if it's going to torque something. Torque something. You know, we can hit that buy button, buy some daily options.
We gonna twerk some. Thank you guys for liking the video. Appreciate it. Somebody, let's see if it's gonna twerk some. Where your entry at, Sonny? So I'm thinking here, but shoot, it's if it well, I'm paper traded.
Yep. Paper trade to see how it worked out. That's what we doing for.
It's on the 5 minute, right?
Yeah.
That's why I said during the pre-market, because it'll be it'll be 5 hours from the time the market open all the way till, pre-market all the way to the time market opens. It'll be about 5 hours. And so since it'll be about 5 hours, it could be a whole lot of things that'll happen in between that time frame. Because if you go 5 hours backwards from where it is now, you can see the difference.
5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh, I see your logic. It pulled back.
Yep, but see, it's filling them.
Yeah, filling them gaps.
You see those big candles right? You got to fill those gaps. Now, it may not do it here. You know what I'm saying? It may pull back, hit these levels and then reverse. Because this is a big reverse candle too. It almost took away half of that move up.
Yeah.
It closed red.
Yeah. Like an order block.
Yeah. You can put OB right there for order block if you want to.
Price said that gap from the parabolic move is a little concerning. Yeah, this one right here, huh?
Absolutely concerning. That level has to be tested.
Yeah.
Now, what made it jump that high?
I think they had earnings in November.
Let's see.
That's January right there.
Oh, this is the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute.
Yeah. So I think it was because of the farms data that they had, and plus and during the day they had another spike when they had one of the Jerome Powell's goons having a little speech and they was questioning them. So with that, I think that's what made the market shake, and that's why it has that look into it. But I think that on Monday, this is why I said when you say that red closing candle, on Monday it's going to be a lot of sales because a lot of people were just buying into it because it was volatile. But on Monday, you know how they do on the sell-off. So you could actually kind of see that going down and putting the fundamentals with it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on the daily.
Oh yeah, I was looking for something. Everybody had it with this company.
All right. Yeah.
Too much uncertainty. When is this? Let me see when the next next
That's
earning.
what you do though. That's how you map this stuff out, man. You gotta look at so many charts. You gotta look at some opportunities and ways you can.
Earnings is February the 21st.
APA.
Yeah.
I think we should do Tesla.
Chris made money on some Tesla. Did you do some puts?
No, I didn't do no puts.
Chris did. Made $1,400.
on
Sure what the hell I did.
I got my Teslas on public. They don't do options on public.
Okay, let me do my oh I already had the
Oh
field.
yeah, you just gotta
Yeah.
share the shit.
No, look, we must have did the field on Wednesday on this because I already got it up. And Chris, you played it.
Yep.
Where'd you come in? Up here?
Internet.
You came up here?
Uh,
'Cause you made
I
some
bought the
good money.
112. I bought the 112s, I believe.
Yeah. So you came. So this not you didn't use this one. This might be old. Hold on.
That was that 30?
So you must have did. No, that's a
30.
Where would you have done your field? Okay, so when you bought it, what did you do? Back tester. Oh, you did it pre-earnings because you know earnings coming up and you know it's gonna drop.
No, I did it based off it ran up with everything. What was that? Wednesday, Thursday? This right here. Matter of fact, what day is this?
What, this one? Wait, where we at? This one must be
No, that was
this
in December.
November.
What?
I gotta drop this.
Yeah, we gotta look at January. So yeah. What's today? The 7th? Did I trade? Was it yesterday? No, it wasn't yesterday. It was Thursday. Okay.
When did they have earnings?
Tesla?
They haven't had earnings yet.
Is it in
Coming
March,
up.
No.
February?
Hold on. What I tell you? Earnings is coming up. Oh, that was October. Hold on, let me look at it right here.
January. They should have earnings coming up.
Earnings
I'll look
is
at it
gonna
right
be
now.
January
This month of
25th.
April.
January
Yeah.
25th.
You got me, January 25th. I've seen it.
Looking pretty good. Like they
Puts.
Well, it looks like they're gonna I don't know. I think they might do the same thing as last time. They might miss revenue and but beat earnings.
Where you want me to go?
Okay. What was Thursday? Today the 7th. Go to Thursday the 5th.
One of the dailies. Give me this
Oh no.
what chart?
Yeah. Oh man. Let me go back.
Okay. I don't know 1 hour chart. Show us the fit.
Hold on.
It's in the chat.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at it right now. Thursday. Yeah, it was Thursday. So yeah, it was the 5th.
We can't tell off of that candle. Let's go to 15 minutes.
So put it on a 5 minute.
Here you go. 15 minutes. Oh,
that's cool. No, leave it right there. Leave it right there. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool right there. All right, good. All right. Now you see how it just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row?
Mm-hmm. No, that's after the fact.
Yeah, no brainer, right? Parabolic moved up quick.
So
you
must, huh?
From Wednesday to Thursday, it moved up quick, shot up fast, right?
Mm-hmm.
Had a nice little run up. They've been having bad news all week. Delivery numbers trash. Cut the price of the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 trash. All right, let's get these puts. I bought them. I think I bought them Wednesday and closed Thursday.
Mm-hmm. You had to close Thursday when it dropped.
Mm-hmm. Bought some 112 puts. You know, we can do it anywhere. 112. And
You should have took a picture of your chart.
well, I just did it on Webull. I mapped it on Webull. I just found the levels. So
That must be your run up right here.
yeah, look at that.
Shit.
Look at that. Too much, too fast. All right, cool. Come here real quick.
How much did you pay your premium? How much did you pay for the contracts? Because you probably bought multiple contracts, so that wasn't just
I
one.
bought 10. I bought 10 contracts. Let me go back and see real quick. See how much they were.
Bryce, get your butt on here. You all right.
That's payback. Last time I traded Tesla, I traded Tesla on their earnings and I lost big. I think I lost like $2,500 messing with them. Let's go here. Owners field. Oh, hold on. Not today. The other day, man.
Man, and even if you would have held it today, you still would have killed.
I would have made more money. I would have definitely made more money.
That's that's institution. That's a probably early morning drop, and then it went on its mirror way after that. You'd have to catch it as soon as the market opened.
Yeah, so I bought them at hold on. Which one is this? Okay, at $5.85. Wait, no, it says $6.95. Bought them at $6.95. But why the hell does it say $5.85 right here?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I bought them at $6.95, sold at $7.70.
That's what what you got, Sonny? What you doing with Tesla? Where's Sonny go? He left us.
Hold on, I was trying to get where it wasn't loud.
Oh. Peace, power, and profit, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, that was a nice play.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Peace.
We on Zoom too, so if you want to share your screen, that's cool. But yeah. What you gonna do about Tesla? You wanted us to go to Tesla?
Yeah, I wanted to look at Tesla and just see the plays it has.
Okay.
Like those gaps. What days are those gaps?
This is the 6th, Thursday.
Uh-huh.
This one is the 4th.
6th and the 4th. So basically, and then prior to that, go backwards.
Oh, hold on. I'll put it on the daily. Hold up. Yeah. Shit. How far you want to go? You want to
No, I
use
was
it?
just looking from the time he started selling
Oh,
all the
Chris?
way.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah. Chris stole on the 6th. I mean, on the 5th.
No, I'm talking about when Elon Musk he
Oh,
didn't actually sell his trades. His shares. He basically he gave them to the banks for securities as a loan. And so people was like, oh, he's selling the shares, but it's not really he's selling the shares. He could still keep the shares if he pays back the loan. So, but those shares got taken out based on him getting that loan. And each time that he got those, I was trying to see which times he got those. And so that way you can see another play, because it's still a whole lot of money that he got to get out. He got to get more out of there. That's why when me and Price was talking about the $60-$80 thing, I could see $80 because it's still more he has to take out.
Um,
I think it's only been like 22 billion, anywhere from 13 to 22 billion, something like that.
I'm not getting the news on this one. You got it on your on Webull probably. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Hmm. Let's see. Tesla news. All right. What did Tesla stock plunge? Cost S&P 500 investors last year. These. Elon Musk says he can't get fair trial. We look. You said you looking to see if he had. You look like you're getting thick.
Oh yeah, he
You
gained a
talking
lot
about
of weight.
Elon?
Oh, y'all not gonna like this. I'm at
Boy,
1%. I
boy,
can't
he
find my
good in
car charger.
Miami.
Yeah.
He good down here in
He eat good in Texas.
Texas.
He wasn't eating in Cali.
That boy he done found the taco truck. Loading up. He done went to Whataburger.
Oh man. Tesla battery stock looks like a buy again. Oh, y'all seen this battery stock?
Uh-huh.
Buy the rumor, sell the news.
Uh-huh.
What battery is? What is it? What's its battery?
What?
Huh?
You said what batteries? What?
Tesla.
Lithium batteries?
What's the ticker?
Yeah, they make
Uh,
EV batteries.
I think QuantumScape is one, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, shit, tell me which one it is.
Type in QS.
Okay. Well, wait a minute. I was hoping they would have said it since they made the comment. QS. Look,
Yeah.
Chris. That's our recent video. I'm about to say they don't been following me, but I forgot that's what I just looked at. I'm about to say your stocks made the list. Okay.
Yeah.
Or you want me to do the you want me to do the Fibonacci on Tesla?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on before I go there. All right. Let me go year to date. You plug your phone in? Okay, this is the year to
Yeah, I
date.
plugged it in. I plugged it in.
You told me to go upside or down?
I
Down.
was gonna tell Chris it's CATL, whatever company that is. That's the one that it says it's the world's largest electric vehicle battery maker and
Okay.
supplier to Tesla and Ford.
Okay.
Hold on to that one. So this is to the downside. So the equilibrium is right here, the green, and the OTE is here. So dang.
It still got downside.
So I should have brought it over here somewhere. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe I should do it to this one.
No, get it at the top.
This
where
one?
where it just crosses above the 200.
Oh, you want me to go back to this one?
Yeah, right there.
The green
Yeah,
or the
where
red?
it's about, yeah, right there, bam, right there.
Yeah,
And
that's what.
then at the bottom of it, spread it up. I mean, push it forward some.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Oh no, back it up, back it up. Where the line is diagonal,
Right here.
touches it. Yeah.
All right. So boom. So yeah, that's the saying. So the equilibrium is green, and the OTE is right here at the pink, at the purple. So it's already past that point. That's why I say you want to use another area, because there's no. That's what an optimum entry point would have been
Yeah.
right here, and we passed that point.
And what is that? That's October, right? At the top?
Uh, the top is September
September?
21st.
Okay.
So that's why I say you want to put it at another level.
Yeah. Probably
I was thinking right
December
here,
1st.
right here. Yep. December 1st. Yep. Still, shoot.
It's horrible.
Yeah, we well, we go to a smaller time frame.
Yeah, try that.
I mean, unless you want to say into earnings that think that they may not make earnings, and you know, 'cause it only
No,
made a
because
small
I
play.
mean I actually think it's gonna go down some more.
Yeah, that's
So
what I'm saying. Into earnings, played into earnings and get puts for out. Let's see what the puts are. Hold on. Wait, let me put my Vote bands. Oh yeah,
I'll
it's
tell you
underneath,
right now.
it's underneath on the bottom of the Bolger bands. Bolger band ain't even on the map.
Mm,
Hold on.
Tesla puts volume.
It's the bottom of the Bolger band. It done went past that. It was
Yeah,
green, so it could come back into the Bolger band. It could make a small move and round out. Let's close them off. Oh yeah. Linear regression got it going down. That's the MA. Let's go to
Yeah. They got 10 million on the open interest.
yeah, look at that. That's the 4 hour. Yeesh, look at the 1 hour.
And that's just from after hours. That's crazy.
Oh yeah. Shit. Yes. Chris could have got a long haul one. He would have been killing. Oh, this is the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute telling us. Oh yeah, shit. We way underneath the whole OT. Okay. So
What do you
bar
think
chart
is stopping Tesla from crashing right now?
crashing.
Mm-hmm.
What's stopping it?
Yeah.
Elon reputation.
I mean,
People believe in them.
so it's still people buying into it, right?
Mm-hmm. People believe into structure. Price says structure looks like one more leg down, but RSI could be signaling some temp relief before breaking lower. Yeah, because the RSI is way up there. Yeah.
I think that this is one of those moves, like it's like a street move, right? Like you tell somebody the weed is bad so you can get it from them for cheap, but it's really good. You know, that kind of thing. I think that people are paying for advertisements to really beat this company down. so they can really be able to get prices for cheap. Because I'm telling you, it's funny to be seeing people on that
Yeah.
chat GTP talking about Tesla is going down and it's going to go down to 50 something dollars and this and that, and they're saying it on the company that's paying Tesla. So it's just kind of crazy.
On
But
Twitter.
no, on the you know, the
Oh,
chat GTP, that new program that everybody's using to make money off of, is that they're planning on it to be taken over. I mean, yeah, to take over Google and Facebook as far as the monetizing game, because of how much money people can make off of it. But
what's
this program is made from OpenAI. OpenAI is a company that's under Tesla.
mm,
Yeah, so it's like, how are you gonna be on the page of saying that it's gonna go to nothing when you're using the product that's you're talking about they're going to nothing.
gotcha.
So I think it's more on the page of where people are promoting it to go down so they can be able to buy it at a cheaper value. And that's why you see it getting beat down during the day, but with the puts. And then plus he's taking it, he's taking his thing, doing his thing to buy Twitter. And then on top of that, on the mornings, people are buying it up for cheap. You see how in the mornings
And
it has the
pauses. Yeah.
yeah, them strikes.
Sheesh. Y'all got the dollars plan to be doing Tesla.
No, it's real easy. I mean, it started me off with $5. As soon as I found I could buy $5 worth, I just kept adding $5, $5,
Oh yeah,
$5.
your fractional shares.
And then it just started building up. I remember when I first had one and some change, and then that one and some change went to three and some change, and three and some, you know.
Oh, you got 21 of them in it.
No, I got 20.
20.
I almost sold because I I don't know, I was almost getting greedy because I had sold my ape stock to buy some swivel, and then I hit on the swivel and it kept going, so I almost got greedy and just sold my Tesla and tried to throw everything on the swivel real quick. But I was like, no, I ain't finna mess around. I can't. You blow up your account like that.
Definitely. Oh, somebody that came out to play, huh? You don't know here, Brandon. Let's see. Price said all tech taking a hit and lines up with the macro narrative.
Huh?
He say all tech taking a hit lines up with the macro narrative.
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
what's up,
all
sir.
tech is taking. I think all tech is taking a hit because me. This is my own personal opinion. All tech is taking a hit because Tesla's taking a hit. The minute you've seen Tesla start firing up, it started being on the page of where everything else, the algorithms of everything else started firing up with other EVs. Because I'll be looking at the real small companies, and then you see more of what's really going on with them because they have less value, it's more value, but less shares. You know what I'm saying? So you can see a big spike or a little spike or whatever with them. And most of the time they, especially in Webull, they have the news that actually put you into different categories for whatever the techs is doing or whatever the oil companies are doing or whatever the case may be, and it'll be all section of these. They have it mapped out for all section of the ones that's moving at the same time because of this stock or because of this stock. So that's, yeah. If Tesla was doing good, the rest of them be doing good. But because Tesla taking a big ass hit, it keeps them to where they can't really rise.
Wow. Price said, that's what's up, Sunny. Fractional shares turn into whole shares. That's how I get down. What up, Brandon? Get on up in here. You don't have nothing to do. Let's see. Okay.
My goal is to try to get to the point to where I could be able to invest $100 a week. And so when I could just start doing it like that, I could buy more shares of what I want on a better scale. But I ain't up to that page yet. It's still hard out here.
Ah. But you have done great.
Yeah, I've been doing great. I mean, I need to do better with my finances. I need an accountant really, but I need to do better with my finances because even though I'm making good money with it, it's on the page of where I'm taking out. I find myself selling my shares that I'm supposed to be holding, but I'll be selling it to buy this or selling it to get this. Or, you know what I'm saying?
You know
Instead
what?
of mapping. Go ahead.
You know what I do? The ones that the money that I know I want to keep, I take the money and put it in stash. Like the ones that I know I want to keep on hold. If I do good with it, when I withdraw it, I'll take it and I'll put the money in stash. And I don't touch the stocks that I have in stash. I don't touch them unless I'm moving them to make a bigger play for the long term. But the ones that I want to day trade, I have them in Webull and Thinkorswim and Robinhood. That's how I do it. So I
See,
don't
I
spend
be
it.
trying to do it like that. Like, okay, so on Webull, I have my IRA account on there,
Oh,
right?
see, mine
And
is on
so,
stash.
yeah. And so on a lot of times when I make my trades, sometimes it'll be cash that I like I really might need this for. I want this or this and that. So I might trade on Cash App or I might trade on Public because Public give you the money like in a couple of like a few days or whatever, right? But my the optional trading, like if I do it on Moomoo, it's gonna take a minute before I could get my money. And you know, those type of things is it kind of helps, but then it kind of hurts at the same time. And so I have to use my IRA account as far as focusing on money that I don't want to spend. It'll be on that.
Okay, so you put it in your IRA. Well, my what I did, well, once I got to that point where the money that I'm gonna put in, I know I'm gonna save every month. I that one go with the stash. So if I don't see the stash, so I don't play in the today's trading stash. So I don't see it, so I don't touch it. I don't have a tendency not to touch it. It goes there in my Acorn account. And then my Webull, I know I'm day trading Webull or Thinkorswim or Robinhood. Shoot, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna sell it. If it's in there, it's gonna get sold to do something else. I'll move around. But the couple bucks that I am putting in stash, I know I'm not touching it unless I really have an emergency or something and I gotta take that money out. I'm gonna let it go. That's why I started with my 5 to 10 to 20 or whatever dollars. I just got the new stash banking card, Chris. Where Chris go? I just got the new card in the mail. But I've gotten much better with spending on my credit card and then paying that for my scores and everything. And I I finally stopped using the debit card like that. I finally started using my cards.
Yeah, that gives you money on your stock, right?
Yeah, and I started using, I definitely, man, I sure wish Stash hurry up and report to the darn credit bureau board. Man, I'll be in there.
Hey, so you put them on all your accounts, right? Well,
Yeah, I
not
got
all your accounts, but
what? The debit card?
yeah, because on the
Yeah.
Cash App, that's the same thing. It's called Roundup.
Yeah, I got that too. I got the Cash
Yeah.
App, Robinhood, Acorn, Stash, and then the credit card. So So when I go out of town, I use
Mhm.
those cards. I use those cards because I've learned how to stop, putting my bank account out in the world like that. I
Mm-hmm.
just use those cards. But I've gotten better with, instead of just swiping any card, I've gotten better with letting the credit work its way. And then Chris just told us that the Self app use your utilities, Chris, for credit history.
Yep.
Yeah.
Utilities, phone bill, rent, all of it.
Yeah, yeah. So
That's what I was gonna ask. Hey, who is that, Chris?
that was Chris.
Hey, on
Yeah.
the Self app, you can't spend on the card when you know how you
The
have to
credit
put
card.
money into it monthly. You can't spend on it,
Yeah, you can spend it.
but you have to just still put the monthly and whatever you spend.
Yeah, and they'll raise up the limit the more you go up.
Cause I thought that it was on the page you couldn't spend it at all, and if you spent it, it was a penalty or something.
No, it ain't no penalty. It's only a penalty when you don't pay.
Oh,
You
okay.
a monthly
Okay,
statement.
cool.
Yeah, you can use it though.
Oh,
Yeah, let me I drop that link again.
Okay. Where you want me to put in
What's it called?
Messenger?
What's it called? Yeah, you put a message. What's it called?
Self app.
Self.
Just Self? Okay.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
Self.
Oh, let me send you the link.
I'm just bringing it up on the screen. This one right here, Self Credit Build.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's my second time going using the account. So
Oh, you could use a bunch of them.
well, you gotta finish your first term first.
Uh-huh.
What do you mean
So I
term?
did 25 a month the first time. I did it for a year, and then I
Uh-huh.
did it another time. So it lets you, do it again. Just keep building your credit.
Oh, is it like a one-time thing?
No, you can continue to do it. And once you get the credit card, you can use the credit card on anything. I pay my phone bill, grocery shop, everything with it.
You run this through Acorn?
I have, yeah.
Hmm.
You gave me a great idea. I appreciate this. Yep, I just thought about something. Hey, so you said that it boosted up your credit, not your credit, they boost up your limit, what, after a year?
No, it just I think after every like $50 or $75,
Oh, really?
yeah, and then you'll start being able to use it. I think it's a certain amount though.
Mm.
Wait, so let me understand it. So you
And
signed up.
don't they? Oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
I was going to ask, don't they give you a certain percentage after the time is up?
What you mean a certain percentage?
Like from the money that you put into it?
Yeah, you'll get your money back. Um, I think once you get to a certain amount, and then they'll send you the credit card. You don't initially get the credit card until you pay back a certain amount.
Oh,
So
how
when you
long does it take
back,
you to get the credit card?
think it's up. Let me see real quick. I don't remember when it started. I
I
want to
talk.
say
It
around a
says
couple hundred or something like that.
What
you're
You
required.
can
Go ahead.
What'd you say,
no,
Mo?
you got
It
it. You
says
got it.
you're required. Well, let me go from here. It says a credit builder loan allows people with a bad credit report or no credit history at all to build positive credit history. Unlike some traditional loans, which are often unsecured, a credit builder loan works like an installment loan, except you get your money. Except you don't get your money until you finish making all the loan payments. With this type of loan, holding onto the money until you complete all the payments helps reduce the risk to the bank. If you are looking to build good credit, this post gives you the details of how a credit builder loan works, how to find them, and other options to help build a positive credit history. So basically, you making a payment, the $25, you making that, and then at the end of the year, it'll be 25 times 12, and that will be your credit card limit.
Yeah, they'll pay you that money back.
$300. Gotcha.
Yeah, so they sent me. Well, actually, they did. The last payment they sent me, it went to my new loan that I did, or my new credit builder account. Because you can keep creating it over and over.
You create your own limit.
Yeah.
Oh, so like
Yeah,
if you
so you
wanted
can
it to be 10,000, then you do 10,000 divided by 12, and that's how much you send per month. And at the end of that year, you have
Yeah, it's just showing positive payment history.
So you do 800. Oh, so what's the max?
So I did 25 the first time. This time I did 35 a month. I don't know what the max is.
Okay, it says
2,500.
Yeah, $25.
Oh,
Oh no.
Does this called your interest rate?
Huh?
So you got a one-time non-refundable administrative fee of $9. The monthly, when you get to the credit part, the monthly payment will be $35 a month for 24 months. As long as you make your payments on time for 24 months, you could get $724 back, meaning the bank keep 116 in interest. In addition, you get a chance to build positive credit. And that's if you was doing I think $25. That's cool. $25 is not bad.
Oh, it's not.
How do credit builder loans help build credit? A credit builder loan may be a good option for you if you need to build credit but can't qualify for a traditional loan. Credit builder loans can help you build wealthy money habits as long as you make payments on time, which can affect your payment history. However, missing a payment could make your credit even worse, so be careful. These loans can have a positive impact on those who take them out and faithfully make payments. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau conducted research for which enrollment took place from September 2014 to February 2015 and released its findings in 2020. The CFPB research found that a credit builder loan increased the likelihood of establishing a credit score for participants without an extended loan by 24%. Those same participants saw their credit scores increase by 60 points more than participants with existing debt. Also, the credit builder loan resulted in an average increase in participants' savings balance of $253. However, for those who participated in the study and had existing debt, the credit builder loan seemed to have a negative impact on their credit scores. Those with existing loans had their scores impacted by a slight decrease, indicating that they may have experienced difficulty making credit builder loan payments on top of their current obligations. So if you don't like to make your payments, then might not be a good idea for you because you're gonna put yourself in a worse situation. Can the credit builder loans hurt my credit? Credit builder loans can hurt your credit score if you miss payments or let the loan go into default. To help prevent damage, your credit, set a realistic monthly budget to ensure that you can make on-time payments and give yourself a better chance at building a positive credit history. Where to find a credit builder loan? If you're looking for credit building loan, there are a few places where you can find one. 4 in particular will be your best bet. You got online lenders. Well, the self credit is the one you guys are talking about. Then you got your credit unions, community banks, and your lender circles. So boom. For those of you who need some help, need some support, need a controlled way to do it, go on and do that allotment or that bank billing $25 to that self credit app. Go get your credit right.
Sure, I went from what high 500s to 720.
Oh, that's great. And you
How
know
many
what?
years? How many years did you do it for? 2?
It's been it was a year. I had started last year. Well, I started in 2020, and then January 2022.
Mm.
Wait, hold on. I'm tripping. No, September 2021 to January 2022.
Mm.
And that's using self. I use Kickoff, another credit builder app. Kickoff actually lets you, buy programs like loans. Like it used to be like $1, but it wasn't real money. You just had to show that you could pay $1 on time. So it was really their money, but just show that you pay on time, and then they got another segment where you pay your actual money, and you can buy like courses, and they'll be like $10, and you do like $1, $2 a month, for the course that you buy, or it could be $40, and you just paying like $2 a month. So they got a dope program. They slept on too.
You do the same thing. You pay them per month until you get to dollar amount, or
Yeah, so you basically paying off whatever you use.
okay. Oh, so they give you something to start off with, like a regular credit card.
They used to just give you they
You
used
see,
to just start you off with just paying $1 a month, just to show that you can pay on time. And it wasn't your money, it was theirs. So
right.
you just building history. Then I went to the actual sign up to where they take money out of my account, and I pay them monthly, like $2. And then I bought some programs that was like 30, $40. You just pay $2 a month for that too.
Mm.
And you build credit history. I'm gonna put the link in the chat for that.
And so the program is just like little classes.
Yeah, you get entrepreneurship classes, finance, business, whatever. You can buy the program. They got a debit card too.
Yeah, I see the
And
debit card on top.
yeah. Let's see. Referral. Let me refer somebody.
Kickoff is a credit building service designed to help you build credit safely and responsibly. Our products are designed to target the 5 major credit score factors.
Yes. Hey, put it on. Oh, sorry.
I want to see this one. 5 major credit. Where the thing went? Why is it Equifax? It took me somewhere. I wanted it to 5 major credit score factors. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what when I said that link, that's what Ivy was talking about the other night. The factors, credit score factors. Yeah, he used that one.
Mm-hmm.
Was you using it at the same time?
Yep.
And how much you say that was a month?
Could be $1, $2 a month.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Examples of the factors are used to calculate your credit. So you got the credit card use 30%. I mean, yep. And then you got payment history. And you got length of time of your credit, new credit, and types of credit. So that credit usage and the payment history. And that's why those two cards are real good because that's what is establishing the highest two brackets. That makes sense. That makes sense, y'all. What's up, Brandon? You in the cut? You know me, Mo.
You know, I'm in the
You break.
cut, just listening to learning. You hear me?
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
Oh
I'm in the
no,
cut, just
Brandon.
listening to learning.
you. Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
You got any of these cards? Self and kickoff?
Nah, I see Chris posting that back in the chat, back and forth. And I was looking at it earlier this week. So
Yeah.
Yeah, we know Mo wasn't looking at it.
You know I wasn't.
I'm still looking at my Treasury Direct account. I ain't
Wait,
see nothing.
it didn't hold on. Let me stop sharing. Because it didn't let me.
get up, get
No,
up.
it doesn't have the option. Like I can see it. Hold on, I'm gonna log into it. I got y'all. Don't be trying to play me. Give me a second.
You done switched over to the white man.
I even got Sunny. I got 3. Hold on. Ain't nobody switched to the white man. Stop that. Like I heard that drama.
Got them Kanye shirts on deck.
Kanye.
Yeah.
That's for
The
y'all.
White Lives Matter shirts.
That's for y'all.
Yeah, man,
I'm
you
to
go
collect.
ahead, burn them.
You know, I ain't wearing no white. I'm be so mad at these white folk. I don't wear no white. They make me so mad. Listen, I'll be wanting to fuss. They be making me mad on my contract and stuff. I'll be mad. You know, they ain't getting no love. They give us our money. Quit playing around. Hey, y'all, Sonny, y'all got some. Y'all can't pick a speaker. What's going on in that GOP party?
Man, right now it's a get money process, and they throwing out money. They throwing out money to distract the people while they take money inside. They giving a percentage of what they taking.
Oh shit, y'all doing it like that down there?
I mean, California. Well, I would say Texas, but Texas has its own thing. But California and New York, they known for that kind of shit.
Yeah,
New
we know
York
y'all.
just do it with real estate and housing, and California kind of do it with real estate and housing, but they do it mostly with the fake cleaning up the streets type of thing.
Oh, I got you. I want to know why y'all sold that beach back though. They must be
Huh?
They must be giving them people a hard time.
At the where?
They sold the beach back after they fought to get it. They sold it back for 20 mil. You seen that?
Man, it's all kind. No, I didn't see it, but it's all kinds of stuff going on. They were trying to vote on splitting California up in 3 different pieces.
What?
Yeah, to have a Southern California, a Northern California, and just a California. Yeah, it's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let me see. There you go. Here you go, right here. The owners of Bruce Beach won seized from a black family to sell land back to LA County. Southern California beachfront property that was taken from a black couple. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. Black couple through eminent domain a century ago and returned to their heirs last year will be sold back to Los Angeles County for nearly 20 million, officials said Tuesday. Heirs' decision to sell what was once as Bruce Beach, a portion of what is now Manhattan Beach, was announced by Janice Hain, chair of the County Board of Supervisors, and State Senator Stephen Bradford, who led local and state government efforts to undo the injustice. This fight has always been about what is best for the Bruce family, and they feel what is best for them is to sell this property back to the county for nearly 20 million and finally rebuilding the generational wealth they were denied for nearly a century. Hannon said, and shoot, seemed to me like keeping it would have been, but hey, this is what reparations look like and is a model that I hope government across the country will follow. Bedford, who authored the state legislation that enabled the land's return, said he supported the heirs' decision to sell it to the county because current zoning regulations will prevent them from developing it in economically beneficial manners. Yeah, we said that it was some red tape. The land in the city Manhattan Beach was purchased in 1912 by Willa and Charles Bruce, entrepreneurs who had migrated to California from across the country and owned 2 plots of oceanfront property in the area. They built and opened Bruce Beach as a small resort for Black residents on the south shore of Santa Monica Bay. Bruce Beach was amongst the first oceanfront properties in the area that was Black owned and served the Black community, as 60 Minutes reported. So here they go right here. 60 million is not a lot. Somebody had to bring somebody into the picture, huh? I'm just messing. But whoop, there it is. So they kind of. Oh, I wasn't sharing. My bad, y'all.
Nah, I thought you just reading it on your own.
My bad. I thought I was sharing. Let's see.
But it was still good info. But they probably wanted the city to buy it back from them. I mean, buy it from them because it's hard to sell, and especially with the market the way it is now. It was already hard to sell houses over there in the beachfront because they got a bunch of empty houses. There'd be homeless people living in them, all kinds of crazy stuff.
Yeah, it seems like they kind of played them a little bit.
Man, the homeless thing out here is running rampant. So like, you know how you have like foreclosed homes in different spots, even the good areas, the homeless people is taking over them.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you'd be living next door to the crackheads.
Y'all, I gotta figure out how to gift it. I got them. I don't know how to gift them though. Let's see. Oh, here we go. It must be under transfer securities. Transfer securities. Let's see. IBAN. Submit. To transfer a security or multiple securities, choose the checkboxes and select. If you choose to transfer multiple securities, you may only transfer 50 at a time. It's not showing up yet. I mean, I see it in my I see it where I purchased it, but I would have did better cash apping you the $25 and you buy your own bond.
You said what?
I see the $25, but I don't see how to gift it to you all.
I got a call.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call him and say, hey. So Sonny, I had told Chris
Uh-huh.
that I would give you all a $25 I bond for Christmas.
What's
So
that?
let me show you. Hold on. Let me share my screen.
What is that? A stock?
No, it's a bond, treasure bond.
I bond?
Uh-huh. If you have a Treasury Direct account,
Mm-mm.
so if you go to Treasury Direct, you should. Well, you must have been paying attention in class. You go to Treasury Direct. The I bond right now is six. This one right here is 6.89%, 6 month interest rate. You can only get up to $10,000 worth though, but you can get as low as $25. So I got one $25 one for you, Chris, and Brandon. I just got to figure out how to gift it, but you got to have an account, and you can sign up for the account for free. It's not a subscription thing. You could get
I think I'm gonna have to go through my because I got another phone, but I'm
okay.
gonna have to go through my Google accounts and see if it's in there.
But you could get bills, bonds, notes, all that good stuff out of here. You could purchase those. AC, let me go to gift to savings bonds. See, I already okay. Let me stop sharing. Let me go back. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. So I purchased $25 ones, but I don't know how to send them. So I'm gonna call the customer service and find out.
Yeah, I got a call now.
Because
Ooh.
I have to give them to you all, and you have to have an account.
How long can you hold on to the bonds?
You can hold on to them for as long as you want, but if you sell less than 5 years, then you could only get interest. I mean, they're gonna take 3 months of interest away from you. So you can
but you could
hold right
just
here. I'm sorry. Let's see. It say these EE would double in value if you hold them 20 years. Yeah, you can hold them for as long as you want.
you said
But
20 years?
right now the interest rate is 6.89. But I think Chris or Brandon, correct me if I'm wrong, doesn't the interest rate could change? Or you
Yeah,
get locked into
after 6 months.
yeah, after 6 months it could change though. So that's the so if you sell, let's say you buy it and you say in 6 months I'm gonna sell it.
Mhm.
Well, matter of fact, not after this one expires April 2023, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
They
it
want you to hold it at least for a year.
yeah, at least 1 year.
But if it expires, you gotta sell it?
No, you can keep
Oh,
it.
okay.
Yeah. But the interest rate right now is 6.89. But the thing about it is it could change, right? Or do you get locked in at the 6.89? I have to read that.
You locked in right now until the term is over. And,
The term is over April 2023.
yeah, it'll be something different after that.
So either way it go, you're gonna get something. We don't know if it's gonna stay at the 6.89 because it was 9 something.
They would,
Should I
yeah,
put more
for
money
people who got
into it?
in early.
You can put up to
Early.
10,000. No, you buy them one. You buy them. Yeah, you can put more.
Mm.
Like right now, like yeah, you could buy them.
My account locked right now
Why?
because when I tried to log in on my computer, I forgot my damn my
Code,
security
password.
code. So I kept getting it wrong. So I had to call him. I forgot to call him yesterday.
Mm,
Mm.
mm, mm. Y'all crazy. in the Chat.
And let me get in my account, man. Get my $25.
Well, you gonna get in it. We'll be able to give it to you. It'll come back along.
Have any of y'all ever been locked out of Moo?
No, shoot, I need to check my moo. I got money in moo.
Me too. I got Mullen, but they locked me out and they wanted me to send a picture of my driver's license with my picture, and then I sent it and they said I didn't look like my driver's license. It's like, so I gotta try to do this again. Yeah, this is crazy.
Oh my God. It mean you don't look like your driver's license. What you do? Send a video to match it?
No, it said to take a snapshot of myself and send it to them, and it took a couple of days for them to clear it. And then after a couple of days, they denied me to make a deposit. I think I could still withdraw because I was still able to make trades with the stock that I mean the money I have in there, but they won't let me deposit no money.
You better call Thunder. That's Thunder's baby. Moo. That's Thunder trades on Moo, I think. But yeah,
Yeah.
Thunder. I know you're out there somewhere.
Mm.
Yeah. So yeah.
What you think Spy finna do?
Mm-hmm.
You got it on there.
I just looked at it because we hadn't looked at it in a while. He's talking about you got it on there. Ain't you? Let me get my film I did since you want to call us sister. Be wilding, I swear to you. That's somebody expect Chris to say, not you. He'll say something like that. Oh God. Let's see. Do I want to go here or do I want to go here? I think I want to go here. Because it's under the two. Let's see what the spy working with. Okay, so I did it to see the upside. So I would be looking for this is my OTC right here, the purple OTE, optimum trade entry.
This is a 1 day or 5 day?
Oh, this
5
is
minutes.
the daily. This is the daily.
Mm-hmm.
This is my equilibrium right here. So it's trading underneath there. So we could probably say that it's downtrend. So let's go the other way. This is daily. Hold on. I'm finally learning this little thing. Boy, I didn't think I ever was gonna get this right.
It looked like it looked like it was bulling, but it just filled that gap.
You ain't believe nothing. Let's see. Oh, now this to the downside.
Yeah, see it hit that resistance line out filling that gap.
Right here. It closed right above our OTE.
What's that?
It closed above it. So the question is it going to continue or is it going to pull back? Now it's pulled back. It rejected the OTE both these times. So if it rejects, well not rejects, if it depends on what it's going to do next. Where the RSI at? The RSI down here on 40. So let's look at a smaller time frame. So that's the daily.
Hold on. Before you move
it.
Look at the on the 15th, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see it on put it to the 15th, where you see that gap.
The 15th? What 15th? Oh, right here. Right here.
No.
What?
What is that? Let me see. Hold on. Oh no. Going to No, you see where it say the 19. I'm tripping. Between the 12 and the
Right here?
19.
Oh, you
Yeah,
talking about
right
right
there.
here?
Yeah, where it has that gap. See, it filled that gap up, and then it
Yeah.
hit that resistance,
Yeah. Pull it back.
right?
It's
So
places too.
yeah. So I mean, during pre-market, if it pops above that, it
It's
has a chance to hit that green and flop back down. But other than that, you can see it coming down
or
or
it could,
move
it
or
could
trading sideways for the day.
or it could become trying to create a cup and handle.
Nah, I
Not right
don't.
now. Not right now.
Yeah, I don't see that. I don't
Somewhere in
see
the
that.
future.
Because look, that where that resistance line is a strong up and a strong down. It had a
Yeah.
strong, yeah, a strong down first. And all it did was fill that gap and barely hit the surface. It wasn't like it punctured it.
Right. Yeah, then that's just wicked.
Yeah.
And it's trading on the two. Let's go down. Let's go to the 4 hour. What y'all gotta say? Where y'all at? Yeah, it's just wicked. It's wicked on the 4 hour too. And 1 hour. 1 hour. Still trading underneath the yep.
1 hour
Same
is
thing.
going down.
Yep, same
Horrible.
thing. It's under the 200. Chris, we don't know. You done tapped out. You sleepy?
No,
Yeah,
I'm
all of
watching the
them is the
game.
same. Oh, it gets on commercial.
Huh?
Yeah, it's doing the same thing on all the time frames.
You know what, too?
What?
Um, to be honest with you, let me see something real quick. In the morning, didn't it had dropped to 79, right? And then it ran all the way up to 89.
What are you talking? What's 79 and 89?
Oh, 379,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
379, 389.
Uh-huh. It did.
That was a cold run.
It's one
So
day.
yeah,
Yeah.
cause on mine I have it on there showing the resistance line. Cause
Oh,
when it hit that,
we had numbers or something? What's going on?
huh?
Or just the fact that it was January 6th and we were giving out awards. What's going on? Why we got that?
We had they had the farm came out and during that came out at what 8 p.m. and then I mean 8 a.m. and then you had Jerome Powell's people had a press conference at I think at 10, and then so that's why the markets was had this little rally. And oh, matter of fact, they had the jobs the
Drives
job,
data.
yeah, they had that at I think 5 or something like that.
Hmm. And I had seen you got up and I had made it to the gym. I was like, dang, I wasn't paying attention to the chat. Cause I have to be at the gym at 9. So if I do something, I have to do it before the end.
Man, that was the best time to get in is whenever it's earnings. That's why before when you know how Oba used to always put the earnings up and stuff, and
Yeah.
I didn't get it, and now I really get it. I wish he was back
Hmm.
giving them earnings because boy, I'd be
You can
tearing it
get it.
up right now.
You can get it from Ernest Whisper.
No, but he used to just give it to I'd be
Or the whole week.
doing anything. Yeah, I could
Yeah.
be at the club and get a message like this is the earnings.
You don't get the you don't get the
I can get it
emails.
if I look for it, but I just don't be feeling like doing all that.
No, I'm saying you don't get the emails.
Nuh-uh.
Mine come in the email.
Oh, mine come on the on my little chat box.
Mm. Tilray, that's a cannabis company.
Yeah.
Probably gonna get a little something being that they had that little all those states approved cannabis. What do you think? Let's look at it. We done got all of. We was on a mission. We're gonna get back on our mission. They got earnings coming up. What they do last earnings? Ooh, they like what? What's connect? From a different device.
Okay. How much are they earnings?
Oh, you say when?
No, I say how much are they earnings?
Oh, you said
I
how
mean,
much? Is it?
the dividends. How much dividends are they paying out?
How much dividends? Let's see. Oh, let's look at the history on it.
It look like they don't pay dividends.
They don't pay now.
Well, on my Weeboy, don't show it.
Let's see.
And it show they down bad.
No dividends.
They're setting up for a bull flag. The earnings is expected on the 9th, which is Monday. What is that? Monday, right?
The night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Monday. That's when their earnings is on Monday.
They estimate negative 0.06. Pretty close to last time. What did they do last time? Like that.
Oh, they got
Yep, last earnings of that big red candle. But shoot, the day before.
Hey, they burning
earnings,
out. You hear them burning out?
Day before earnings, big red candle. Day of earnings, peace in the Middle East took it all out. They did a little divergence, look like, and then came back to its merry way. And then in December, it must be when everybody had that news, and then boom, back down.
Hey, not to cut you off, I'm gonna have to tell y'all peace. They got they getting ready to do a street takeover out here.
Oh shit!
So I gotta go in right now.
Be safe.
All right, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.
Brandon and Chris, where y'all at? So they gotta get it. So they gotta get to safety. I guess we did enough. Y'all look like y'all got occupied. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace, power, profit. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Let me put that link in there. I hope you guys learned some research where you can go to research some information. Put you on your grind. Make sure you get some money. You know.
Always, Mo. Thank you. Thank you for doing this.
I'm getting a little better. You welcome.
I see. That's why I'm in the good.
My little field. I don't know like the terms like y'all do, but I'm trying to get it.
Mo, you ain't get it. You already got it. What you saying?
I mean, like, I need to now that I kind of got that a little bit, I need to analyze the market a little better, like the wording, like know what to say.
I mean, what you mean, like the correct terminology or whatnot?
Yeah, how to bring in the news and all that stuff.
I mean, I think the biggest thing is as long as you can decipher what they're trying to say. Like you hear so much of what we say. I mean, you can come to your own conclusion of what they're trying to say on TV or whatever. And then again, if you don't know a term, you can always go to Investopedia.
Yeah, I know how to look it up.
Yeah.
But know the callus, know what's going on during the times.
Right.
Yeah, I'm trying to listen to stuff back, put things back in my ear.
Right.
Especially, the book was for, thanks for that book, man, getting your understanding on, what to do, what not to do,
Hmm.
how to come up to why you want to do what you do, which financial vehicles to go to. Yeah,
Right.
a lot.
Where you at in the book? Are you reading it by yourself or are you doing it on your YouTube channel?
No, I was doing the audio, listening to it. I had gotten all the way to chapter 5, and then I had to back up because there's some stuff that he said I wanted to hear again.
Oh, snap. Okay, all right.
Yeah, I had to back up because I was really trying to understand it.
Uh-huh.
So I backed up to chapter 2. I went all the way back to chapter 2. So when I go in the gym and stuff, I just had to re-listen to that. And then now chapter 4, I'm gonna go back to chapter 4.
Okay.
So I guess we have to listen offline because we can't play it live.
Even better. That'll get more streamers and more people to your channel. That could be like a little exclusive thing that you can do.
No, we can't do it live.
No, I'm just saying, yeah, that could be like a little exclusive thing that you can do for the people.
Yeah, you wanna get in on it.
Yeah.
You gotta subscribe.
Yep.
Or like a Patreon or something. But I ain't there yet. I can't do that until I get 1,000 subscribers. I'm only at I'm at 761.
We can probably get you there. We probably get you there.
No. Yep, I do a stream. I'm gonna do a stream. I got an idea to do some short videos.
I think that'll help.
I figure out how I was gonna do some of that. I figured it out. Got some ideas. So, well, we've been on a long time too. We've been looking for you.
I know. I'm sorry. I was doing homework. I seen you guys in the YouTube and in the chat. So
yeah,
and I'm still not finished with this homework.
Oh yeah. Well, we about to let you go do your homework. What class you in?
So right now I'm in advanced networking technology, and then I got like another calculus class I'm taking.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Have fun with that one.
Yeah, I might drop this one.
You gotta have trig as a prerequisite to take that.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you studying, Brandon? What you studying?
So I'm going. So my degree's in technical management, but I'm trying to become a project manager.
Oh yeah, you trying to get some dollars.
Yeah, I'm trying to make them big bucks.
Once you get out of school, it's gonna be so much better because school, that stuff, project management definitely is all about time management, understanding what they got going on and mapping out their project. It's like they bring you through all that stuff in school. You be like, I don't need this drama.
What?
I really don't.
You gotta get through those classes though. Y'all see, I sent y'all that series 65, but I ain't gonna hold you because let you do your homework. I ain't in school. But,
I throw that in there, the little gem shit. I ain't in school.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you this though. YouTube is your friend when it comes to math.
100% it is.
Yeah, if you don't understand that joint, you can pop that stuff into YouTube and you can let it break it down and rewind 1,000,000 times till you get it right.
I put the whole question into like the YouTube search box. I get the answer right away.
Yeah.
I ain't got time for this.
Yeah.
So break it down for me.
But how you gotta do your test though?
Different computer.
Oh, okay.
One computer, two computers.
I have my phone.
Exactly.
Because it's not prompted, is it?
Nope.
Oh yeah, you can pass that class. Go and get over that calculus because you won't see it again.
Oh my God. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Look, look, Price say, "Oh man, calculus, I'm out."
Yeah, that's
Hey,
no
I
joke.
started from an F to a D, and I finally made a C. I was like, "Oh my God!" And it's not that I can't do it; it's that I never had the prerequisite. They threw
Right.
me in that junk, man. I said, "What is this?" But anyways, all right, go take care of your work.
All right. Thank you.
Thank y'all. Okay, let me see what I'm gonna close this out on. I'm gonna close out on Self app. The treasure app. Let's see what I want to close it out on. Something somebody can look at. We're going to do. Where do that? I'll close down earnings whisper.